This is gonna be a good one.
Chris says YouTube.
Hey, it don't have no brakes.
Oh, that makes me feel so much more comfortable about you driving it. Which one do I hold?
You don't have to get it.
Yeah.
Hey, if you want to get boxing gloves out with me, it's up here, y'all can. And we won't point you away from everybody. Let her go down to the hollow right there.
I'll be fine. I remember how to drive a dirt bike.
Alright, one down, the other one's that's what. It has a little bit of front brake. Riley, get back here. Somebody pop it up here. 360.
Oh, he about did it already.
Quit.
I mean, it's just me.
Riley, don't go too far, honey. She ain't good at riding.
Shit looks good, though.
She'll be able to work tomorrow. Broken leg.
Yeah, you're
Right
bam.
up here with road rash. No, hey, I guess it'd be mud rash today, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Call it mud rash.
Oh God.
Go, baby, go! You can get a DUI on a bike.
I just tell you, you gotta pull the clutch and you stop.
That was fun. I haven't done that in a long time. I haven't either. At least I did it. At least I did it.
Yep.
I could definitely ride a four-wheel right now. That's easy. I know. It actually does pretty good.
He tore it up and I down wouldn't fix it.
What has it got? First, neutral, second, third, or is it just... Did I go up too many? Is that why it made that weird?
Yeah, when you go up to me, it'll go
Yeah.
just bogging it down. You need to
I'm
go
probably
down
saving
if your water
first.
does that.
Is first when you go down one,
Bog goes down.
or do you go up? Whenever you push up the first time, that's in first. Mine used to be neutral first, and you got to shift up to second. Oh, I ain't scared of riding a dirt bike. I could not ride a dirt bike right now. I'm serious. Can't you do that? Can't you ride
Oh.
Why don't you ride it, baby? Why? Are you scared?